Hey everybody, it's Linnea. Today I have the Whimsy Stamps Slimline Hill House Die product intro video for you. This is the latest of the Slimline dies from Whimsy Stamps, and it features this wavy border and a wonky haunted house with a cute little driveway. This die, when it's cut out, measures just slightly smaller than a 3 1/4 by 8 1/4 slimline card base. So when you layer it on a card base, you're going to have just a little bit of white peeking around the edges. I love this wonky haunted house. There's these fun skinny windows and this little walkway or driveway up to the house, and there are so many things that you can do with this die. Here's some inspiration for you where I have paper pieced a background to really make that haunted hill house die pop and stand out. I've added lots of glitter and some other stamps and dies from Whimsy Stamps onto this card. I hope you've enjoyed this product intro video. Thanks for watching.